What happens when a poor boy suddenly gets the chance to become a gentleman? This is the story of Pip, the main character in Great Expectations, a famous novel written by Charles Dickens. It is a story about dreams, love, mistakes, and personal growth. The story begins with Pip, an orphan boy living with his strict sister and her kind husband Joe, a blacksmith. One day in a graveyard, Pip meets an escaped convict named Abel Magwitch. The convict threatens Pip and asks him to bring food and a file to remove his chains. Pip helps him out of fear. Soon after, Pip starts visiting a rich and strange woman named Miss Havisham, who lives in a dark mansion where time seems frozen. She asks Pip to play with her adopted daughter Estella, who is beautiful but cold and cruel. Pip falls deeply in love with Estella and begins to feel ashamed of his poor background. One day, Pip receives surprising news. A mysterious person has left him a large fortune, so he can become a gentleman in London. Pip believes that Miss Havisham is his secret benefactor, and that she wants him to marry Estella. In London, Pip learns gentlemanly manners and spends money freely. However, he slowly becomes arrogant and forgets the simple kindness of Joe and his old life. Later, Pip discovers the shocking truth. His secret benefactor is not Miss Havisham, but the convict he once helped, Magwitch. Magwitch became rich and wanted Pip to have a better life as a way to thank him. This revelation changes Pip. He realizes that true worth does not come from wealth or social status. In the end, Pip learns important life lessons about loyalty, humility, and love. He understands that kindness and honesty are far more valuable than money or social class. That is the heart of Great Expectations, a powerful story about growing up and discovering what truly matters. Sometimes our greatest expectations teach us the most important lessons about life.